The Eurozone economy is struggling as it faces mounting challenges. Despite being one of the largest economic blocs globally, recent indicators paint a grim picture of declining activity, stagnant growth, and a lack of the stability that has traditionally characterized the region. Economists and policymakers alike are increasingly concerned about the ripple effects this weakening could have, not just within Europe, but on the global economy at large. At the heart of this economic slowdown are several intertwined factors. The lingering impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has left a lasting mark on consumer behavior, labor markets, and overall productivity. Many industries have had difficulty rebounding fully, with supply chain disruptions still affecting the availability of goods and labor shortages continuing in key sectors. Recovery has been uneven, and for many businesses, the reality of new market dynamics has made it harder to return to pre-pandemic levels of stability. One of the primary sectors reflecting this decline is manufacturing. The Eurozone's manufacturing sector, historically a robust driver of economic output, has been experiencing a contraction for months. Energy prices are another significant challenge. The Eurozone, particularly in recent years, has become highly dependent on imported energy sources. The energy crisis following the Russia-Ukraine conflict has driven energy prices up dramatically, forcing European countries to pay higher rates for gas and oil. In addition to energy costs, inflation remains a major issue for the Eurozone economy. Inflation rates are high across Europe, particularly in essential areas such as food, fuel, and housing. As prices continue to rise, the purchasing power of the average European consumer has declined. Labor markets are also showing signs of strain. Although the Eurozone reports relatively low unemployment rates, this doesn't tell the whole story. Many countries are grappling with a skills mismatch, where job vacancies are abundant in certain high-demand areas, yet there aren't enough skilled workers to fill them. This shortage is particularly pronounced in technology and healthcare. Moreover, consumer confidence has been notably low, with inflation eating into real incomes and high energy costs draining household budgets. Consumers are less inclined to spend. Consumer sentiment surveys reflect growing pessimism across the region, when consumers are worried about their financial future. On the political front, there is increasing pressure on policymakers to take action. However, achieving consensus across the Eurozone's diverse group of nations is challenging. Different countries have different economic priorities and varying levels of fiscal stability. Brexit has also left its mark, impacting trade relations and adding to economic uncertainties. The UK, once one of the largest trading partners within the Eurozone, now operates under different trade rules. Amidst these challenges, there are few signs of immediate relief. Economists are forecasting that the Eurozone economy will continue to face headwinds, with growth rates expected to remain low. The ECB's current monetary policy stance, though aimed at stabilizing inflation, could put further pressure on the economy in the short term. Businesses are grappling with tighter margins, and consumers are facing tough choices as their purchasing power continues to erode. Looking ahead, the path to recovery will likely depend on a combination of structural reforms, investment in innovation, and coordinated action among Eurozone countries. For example, enhancing renewable energy capabilities within Europe could reduce dependence on foreign energy and stabilize energy costs in the long term. Additionally, investment in digital infrastructure and workforce development could help address the skills mismatch and improve productivity across the region. While the Eurozone is in a challenging position, it's worth noting that economic cycles are, by nature, cyclical. Recessions, while painful, often lead to periods of reinvention and resilience. As the region grapples with its current difficulties, there may be opportunities for businesses, policymakers, and citizens to make necessary adjustments that pave the way for a more sustainable and balanced economy. Outro. The Eurozone's economic situation is indeed concerning, with many obstacles to overcome before a full recovery is possible. The challenges are complex, but so are the opportunities for innovation and renewal. If policymakers and businesses can navigate these turbulent times with resilience and foresight, there is hope that the Eurozone can emerge stronger on the other side. Thank you for watching, and if you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.